Naija dey fight corruption katakata with full body. Presido Muhammadu Buhari na him talk this one. And this ogbonge informate so na on top with tori for today. With better gallant shoulder and happy body, na in Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari take tanda put for United Nations General Assembly to deliver Naija statement for the assembly. This assembly so e dey under the direction of Onga Presido, Professor Tijani Mohammed Bande, wey be the first time after 30 years wey Naija person go tanda put for Onga as Presido, as this one don give Naija better level for the assembly. Professor Tijani Mohammed Bande na him come invite Presido Muhammadu Buhari may he come give him country statement for the assembly.
I have the honor to welcome to the United Nations His Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and to invite him to address the assembly. Mr. President.
Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don talk for United Nations General Assembly Onga 74. Say Naija dey fight corruption matter with him full body. And if una remember, say Naija Presido na him be the number 5 speaker where he go do talk for the section, the one where him dey call debate, where he go deliver the country statement. Buhari salute the assembly for the honor wey dem give Naija to see say Onga 74 Presido dan na Naija person, Professor Muhammad Tijani Bande, it tanda gidigba put for the assembly. As he come salute Professor Bande, saying believe and saying go deliver well for all international countries wey dey the assembly. As he come see throway ogbonge aliens give the outgoing president, dan na Maria Fernanda Espinosa, for the great work wey she don do for Onga 73.
I wish to thank the General Assembly for the honor bestowed on the government and people of Nigeria by electing our national His Excellency Tijani Muhammad Bande to the presidency of the 74th session of this august body. This is indeed a great honor to our country. Nigerians are truly grateful and shall endeavor to live up to the expectations and the responsibilities thrust upon us. Ambassador Muhammad Bande is an experienced and seasoned diplomat, and I am confident that he will prove to the international community his suitability for this most demanding assignment. Let me also offer my sincere thanks to the outgoing President, Her Excellency Maria Fernanda Espinosa Carrez, for her skill, resourcefulness, and endless reservoir of patience in piloting the 73rd General Assembly. In the same vein, may I commend the Secretary General, His Excellency Antonio Guterres, for his tremendous energy, his genuine international outlook exhibited by his leadership of the United Nations.
Buhari come talk on top the team of Onga 74. The one will be galvanizing multilateral efforts for poverty eradication, quality education, climate action, and inclusion. He talks say this one are areas where they cocoa for the world leaders they made them chowe body put. He talks saying go make sense, make them sabi say the world as they do well. Many bad matter they shell for world economy matter and political place. As this one are waiting they make many African people for the world not get money and their life not turn out well.
The theme of the current General Assembly is galvanizing multilateral efforts for poverty eradication, quality education, climate action, and inclusion. These are the prime areas calling for collective action which will benefit national and global interests. Today, the world is at a critical juncture. We must admit that as the world grows richer, there are regrettable signals in the world economic and political order. Millions in Africa and around the world remain in abject poverty. Furthermore, we are witnessing a backlash against multilateralism in the shape of a rising tide of racism, xenophobia, resurgent nationalism, populism, and tendencies towards protectionism and unilateralism. The pristine principles of the United Nations, I fear, threatened.
Buhari talk about the work wey dey in hand to do, as he talks a time don't reach for many industrial countries them to put body for Africa matter and support all the the one wey dey shele, as this one go help fight poverty, katakata and all the things wey dey happen for the continent.
A developed Africa will not be antagonistic to industrialized countries, but will become friends and partners in prosperity, security, and development. A prosperous Africa will mean greater prosperity for the rest of the world. A poor Africa will be a drag on the rest of the world. Is this what the international community wants?
Presido bin challenge United Nations say make dem waka go front for the issues where they block all the plans where they ground to see say international peace matter and money matter e dey well. Back by the one where they share for Palestinian people dem. Presido Muhammadu Buhari constitute on top climate change, the one where Naija people don ready to fight am.
Climate change, Nigeria stands resolutely with the international community in observing agreed carbon emission targets, which I signed in 2015. As we advocate and strive for inclusion within our societies, we must also ensure inclusion prevails in our collective action as members of the international community. That is why we support the expansion of the Security Council to reflect the diversity and dynamics of the 21st century.
As fight matter and many bad katakata don dey affect people wey dey the world, Naija Presido don talk say Naija dey fight the corruption matter well with all im own body. As he talk say for im own last election, im go talk am again. Say the people wey dey the country, the main gidigba thing wey you wan do for them, na to see say im carry them put for all the plans wey im administration wey get.
Our election promises emphasized political stability, freedom and prosperity, tackling poverty, schooling our young and providing them with the tools to build better lives. Our progress and delivery are deliberate, purposeful, and measured. We clearly appreciate there are no quick fixes to complex challenges.
Presido come talk on top wetin social media take dey do. As he talk say na social media na im dey cause all the bad information wey dey fly dey go up and down on top religion matter, on top xenophobic and many lie message. The one wey be say e don scatter many country and e don scatter yarn the things wey for make peace and prosperity may for turn out well for Africa and the whole world.
Organized criminal networks, often acting with impunity across international borders, presenting new challenges where only collective action can deliver genuine results. This is true in the battle against violent extremism, against trafficking in people and drugs, and against corruption and money laundering. The present Nigerian government is facing the challenges of corruption head-on. We are giving notice to international criminal groups by the vigorous prosecution of the P&ID scam attempting to cheat Nigeria of billions of dollars.
Now here we see the better information reach on top with tori for today. As President Muhammadu Buhari don deliver in country statement for August 74, than a United Nations General Assembly, where it talk say Naija dey tackle corruption with im full body. And he talk this one to take make the world leaders them sabi say in administration they do ogbonge work to see say the country turned out well for the world. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele for August 74. Na T-Live Media na im dey bring am come give una on top with tori for today. Continue to dey get this ogbonge informate as dey shele for the world and for the country. Make una like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T-Live Media TV. Now, if you still follow us, waka enter with social media platforms for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter for T-Live Media. And our website, don gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com. So they get ogbonge informate as they share.